As per Marpol, there are total 6 annexes, and today I'll tell you what are the special areas in which annexes. So, in the first annex, that is for oil, there are total 10 special areas. The second annex, that is for noxious liquid substances, there is one special area. In annex 3, harmful substances in packed form, there is no special area. In annex 4, sewage, there is one special area. In annex 5, garbage, there are 8 special areas. In annex 6, air pollution, there are 4 special areas. In Annex 1, that is for oil, there are total 10 special areas. That is first Mediterranean Sea, second Baltic Sea, third Black Sea, fourth Red Sea, fifth Gulf areas, sixth Gulf of Aden, seventh Antarctic area, eighth Northwest European waters, ninth Oman area of the Arabian Sea, 10th Southern South African waters. In these, 5 of the areas are going to be repeated in the Annex 5 special areas that are for garbage also. In Annex 2, that is noxious liquid substances, there is one special area, Antarctic area. In Annex 3, that is harmful substances in packed form, there is no special area. In Annex 4, sewage, there is one special area, that is Baltic Sea. In Annex 5, garbage, there are 8 special areas: Mediterranean Sea, Baltic Sea, Black Sea, Red Sea, Gulf areas, North Sea, Atlantic area, and the wider Caribbean region. In Annex 5, the special areas, 5 of them also came in Annex 1, that is Mediterranean, Baltic, Black, Red, Gulf areas, and Atlantic area. In Annex 6, there are 4 special areas: Baltic Sea, which is for SOx and NOx, North Sea for SOx and NOx, North American ICA for SOx, NOx, and particulate matter, and United States Caribbean Sea ICA, SOx, and particulate matter and NOx.